Hey guys, we're here at this location, and this place needs some cameras installed, and so we're here, and I don't have a hammer drill, and I need a hammer drill to get into the concrete. So let's go ahead and open this up. This here is a Makita hammer drill and a grinder in a set in this box here, and this was $200. And this is the cheapest I found, and it was a really good deal because the other ones were similar price or even more, but it didn't include a grinder. So now I get two tools at a cheaper price. The hammer drill has a briefcase with it. The grinder, on the other hand, doesn't. This is an angle grinder. You guys already know I have DeWalt angle grinder, so I'm probably gonna be selling this. I'm just gonna keep it in the box in the car. And these are just some cushions. So let's go ahead and open this up. Just rip it open. All right. It's actually pretty slim and a very nice case. I gotta cut this with where the zip tie is. Just acting like a lock here. And here we go. This is my first Makita tool. This is a wired one because with hammer drills, you know, whatever I would need it for, I would need some power. So I think this is gonna be a good choice. I don't know what this paper does. It's probably to just wrap this around. This is where you keep all the bits and stuff, which is nice. And you have a little, you know, section here to, you know, put the cord in and everything like that. You can rotate this around. You have different modes out here on the bottom, and this is what it looks like. It looks pretty chill. We got, I don't know what this is. We got different modes for things. I don't know what this does actually. So yeah, this is what it looks like. We're gonna get to work. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you guys next time. Peace.